So guys, I want to show you it's probably the best TV mount that you can use for low ceilings, um, like above a fireplace in a basement, or like I have over here. It's like a 7 foot ceiling, this pergola looking thing. All right, so take a look what we got. All right, so here we go. I hit the button, you'll be able to see how long it takes to come down. I hit the button now. A little red light came on up there. I got to put a piece of tape on, but let's turn it on. So you can see it coming down. I'll tell you right now, this thing is absolutely awesome. After it comes down completely, I will show you guys how to install it. But I'll tell you what, I get so many compliments about this TV. Just how the mounting of it. Still coming? Now it's down. There you go. So now let's go into the install of it. All right, we're gonna put in a television bracket over here. It's a motorized bracket, and basically what it does, it sits level with the ceiling. You hit a button and the motor kicks in and it comes down. So I actually had it up here already and it went kaput on me. I called the people who made it and they actually just sent me a new one. So I didn't start doing videos when this was up, so this is perfect opportunity to do it. I cut out a truss right here, 5 and almost 3/4, so 5 and 5/8 is what I did. I cut out one piece here, one piece here, and I actually put in a 2x10 right there. All right, so here's my 2x10 in here. Yeah. All right, so it gives you a template to where to drill the holes in. I have them in already, or I have the holes there, so you just have to lay the template up there and drill your holes. This right here is the receiver for your remote, and I have a plug right here for the power to plug it in. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to put the bracket together, and then we'll go ahead and mount it. All right, so here's the template. So basically you put a hole there, hole here, hole here, and we got one more hole right there. Get your back bracket, and it's so cool. They just sent me a new one. They didn't fix it or nothing. They just sent me a brand new one. I love this thing. These right here are the wings that are going to come off, and at the end of these are going to be where the TV mounts to. Now this would be quick because I already have the holes up there and I already prepped. So this actually is just going to go like that. And then when you hit the button, it goes up and it comes down. Now this 5 and 5/8 is an exact measurement for it to hit flush with this ceiling joist. But before we do anything, we have to build this bracket. And your bracket already has your screws in there. See the screws? So they're basically gonna just go like that. So right now I'm gonna unscrew all this and then screw it in. This has an indention. This has an indention. The indentions go so they're facing each other. So we're gonna go ahead and screw these in. All right. So what we did is we put the bracket on. I left this one bolt in here. That way we can lift up the TV and just hook it on. So we're gonna do that right now. Give me this drill. Oh,
Okay.
you got it?
Okay. Okay.
All right. So that's one. We'll get these two bad
Okay.
boys in. So the TV is up there. Everything looks good. All right. If you have this TV and the power and everything is back here, you might want to plug all this stuff in before you hook the TV in because it was a pain in the butt in order to get these on. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. And if this is Johnny's tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to my channel too.
And if this helped you out, hit the like button. That helps me out, and I hope this helps.